James Clark, Chair of the GRDC Northern Panel. We're in Toowoomba today. We've visited the LRC, Leslie Research Centre, and now at Tor Street, and really looking to see the capacity and the capability that we have in this area. From here we go to USQ. USQ's expressed an interest in getting into agriculture in the northern region in a big way. And then the panel's travelling down to Brisbane, and we're going to catch up with QUT and CSIRO. It flows on from the National RD&E strategy, and in that Queensland nominated to say they really wanted to be the lead in summer cereals and summer legumes. And so what we're looking at here today and tomorrow is really looking at the ability of Queensland, what capacity and capability they've got going forward in really looking at those summer crops. There's a strategic plan for the northern region about how we're going to do this. 12 months ago we announced the network of research agronomists. So there's going to be 3 nodes within Queensland of that, and 3 nodes within New South Wales. And they're going to give us the regional validation of the science. But that will be a pathway for those researchers to move into areas that they may wish to specialise in, as well as a number of postdocs that the GRDC is putting in to back up some of our key researchers who are mid-career or late career. So it is part of a strategic plan, this, and we're only benefited by USQ wanting to come in, where we now have another organisation, a university, which can very much deal with the PhD and postdocs, and hopefully will accelerate this capacity building that we need, because there has been a rundown in capacity and the issues aren't getting smaller. If anything, we've heard a number of times today that the issues are getting more and more complex as we understand more and more. So we actually need more individuals than we've needed in the past. Yeah, got a number of the panel members here and some more coming again tomorrow. It's really about introducing the panel so they can put some names to faces, but it's also letting the panel get an understanding of what the current infrastructure is, what the potential infrastructure demand is going to be in the future, but also the personnel and their capability and their capacity going forward. This is a strategic tour for the panel to look at and sort of put into its long-term planning about where we need to spend money going forward to make sure that the industry is viable for the next 10 to 20 years.